Hello, and thank you for joining me today. To start off, could you please introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is Shreya. I have over 5 years of experience in the IT industry with a strong background in web development and programming. I'm proficient in HTML, Python, and JavaScript. That's all about me. Thank you.
Thank you for that introduction. Now, let's dive into some questions. First, how do you approach challenges in a team setting?
When facing challenges in a team setting, I start by focusing on clear communication. I make sure everyone understands the issue and I encourage open discussion so all perspectives are heard. Thank you.
That's a great approach. Can you share an example of a specific challenge you faced in a team and how your communication strategy helped resolve it?
Sure. In my recent project, shop guide system I worked on, we had a problem where shop owners could see each other's data, which was a privacy issue. I helped solve it by suggesting separate data spaces for each shop and worked with the team to make the changes. We shared tasks, supported each other, and fixed the problem together. Thank you.
That sounds like a significant challenge, and it's impressive how you facilitated teamwork to find a solution. Now, moving on to the next question. How do you share innovative ideas with colleagues?
To share ideas, we are using Microsoft Teams mainly for the communication and also email. So we are communicating through Microsoft Teams and email. Thank you.
Using tools like Microsoft Teams and email is effective for communication. Can you provide an example of an innovative idea you shared with your colleagues and how it was received?
Sure. I have learned a new AI technology called PipeCat recently, and for a project in our team, when there was an issue, I used this PipeCat idea in that project, and it was worked well. That's it. Thank you.
It's great to hear that you were able to apply new technology to improve your project. Now, let's move on to the next question. How do you value diverse opinions in teamwork?
I believe good communication is the best solution. When we experience a disagreement or something like that, we should communicate it well. Instead of arguing, communication will solve the issue. I believe in that. Thank you.
That's a thoughtful perspective on the importance of communication in resolving disagreements. Can you share an instance where valuing diverse opinions led to a better outcome in a team project?
Sure. In my recent project, uh, there was a disagreement with the team member, and um, instead of arguing, we discussed the pros and cons of both ideas and involved the rest of the team to get feedback. In the end, we combined the best parts of both approaches and choose the most efficient solution. Thank you.
It's impressive how you facilitated a constructive discussion that led to a collaborative solution. Now, let's explore some characteristics. First, can you describe a situation where you demonstrated an innovative mindset and adaptability?
In one project, I was working on a shop guide system and wanted to make customer support more interactive and scalable. Instead of using a basic FAQ system, I explored using Pipecat to build an AI powered chatbot that could understand user queries and fetch real time data from the shop database. This idea was not part of the original plan, but I proposed it to the team and created a prototype. It worked well.
That's a fantastic example of innovation and adaptability. How did your team respond to your proposal? And what impact did the chatbot have on customer support?
Team members was very supportive and they accepted my idea and tested and it was worked well. Thank you.
It's wonderful to hear that your team was supportive and that the idea was successfully implemented. Now, let's discuss your collaborative spirit and problem-solving skills. Can you share an experience where you had to work closely with others to solve a complex problem?
Sure. When I worked for a project, a related project. For example, um, when I started using Pipecast for a chatbot in my shop guide project, I had to learn how to fetch and integrate data correctly. It was difficult at first, but I learned a lot through trial and error. And this experience helped me improve my problem solving skills and made me more confident in using AI tools.
It's great to hear how you turned a challenging situation into a learning opportunity that enhanced your skills. Lastly, can you tell me about a time when you showed respect for diverse opinions in a team setting?
Sorry, could you please repeat that question?
Of course. Can you tell me about a time when you showed respect for diverse opinions in a team setting?
Sure. When I
Please go ahead.
In my recent project, actually there was so many ideas are there. Every member have their own ideas, and but we worked together and uh, we
It sounds
communicate.
like you had a variety of ideas from your team members. Can you elaborate on how you ensured that everyone's opinions were respected and how that contributed to the project's success?
We actually discussed about the everyone's ideas, and we discussed the pros and cons of all ideas and involved the rest of the team to get feedback. In the end, we combined the best parts of both approaches, all approaches, and chose the most efficient solution, and we successfully completed the task. Thank you.
It's commendable how you facilitated a collaborative environment where everyone's ideas were valued, leading to a successful outcome. Thank you for sharing your experiences and insights today. This concludes our interview. I appreciate your time and contributions. Please remember to press the leave button when you're ready to exit.
Thank you for your time today. It was great speaking with you.